This is Atlas Mission Control at T-minus 4 minutes and holding. We anticipate releasing the hold in just a few moments.
On my mark, the time will be T-minus 4 minutes and counting. 3, 2, 1, mark. 3 minutes 55.
Ground pyros enabled.
The countdown clock has resumed and we are go for launch at 7:13 p.m. Eastern.
T-minus 3 minutes.
Securing LO2 topping.
Atlas tanks to flight pressure.
2 minutes 50 seconds.
FTS internal.
Two minutes 10 seconds.
Eagle on internal power.
Roger.
$159.
Vehicle internal.
155.
Launch sequencer start.
150.
Securing Centaur LH2.
Securing Centaur LO2.
140.
Launch enabled.
137.
FTS armed.
T-minus 90 seconds. The launch vehicle, payload, ground systems, and eastern range are go for launch.
120.
OCUs armed.
SCS count started.
115.
Reduce CCS for launch.
Roger.
110.
Vent valves locked.
T-minus 1 minute.
T-minus 1 minute.
Rock. Report range status.
Range green.
T-minus 40 seconds.
Stable at step 3.
$28 seconds.
ECS reduced for launch.
Roger.
25.
Status check.
Go Atlas.
Go Centaur.
Go AFSPC 11.
T-minus
T-minus
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. We have ignition. 2, 1, and liftoff of the United Launch Alliance Atlas V rocket with AFSPC 11 from the United States Air Force.
180 pump speeds and injection pressure. Seeing good chamber pressure across all 5 SRBs. PU's gone to closed loop control. Now passing 20 seconds into flight. Continue to see good pump speeds and injector pressures on the RD-180. 30 seconds in. And vehicle's now passing Mach 1. SRB chamber pressure continues to look good across all 5 SRBs.
You are hearing the
Now
voice
passing
of
max
Patrick
Q,
Moore
maximum
providing
dynamic
launch
pressure.
vehicle ascent data.
And pump speeds and injector pressures on the RD-180 continue to look good. SRB chamber pressure is also looking good. Now passing 1 minute into flight. And the launch vehicle is now 11 miles in altitude, 7 miles downrange distance, traveling at 2,300 miles per hour. 1 minute, 15 seconds into flight. And we should be expecting SRB burnout momentarily. Chamber pressures on the SRB is tailing off. And we have burnout on all 5 SRBs. 1 minute, 40 seconds into flight. RD-180 pump speeds and injector pressures look good in full thrust mode. And we have good jettison of all 5 SRBs. Vehicle's gone to closed loop guidance. Now passing 2 minutes into flight, Mach 5. And pump speeds and injector pressures on the RD-180 continue to look good. Vehicle is now 40 miles in altitude, 55 miles downrange distance, traveling at 4,900 miles per hour. And now passing 2 minutes, 30 seconds into flight, approximately 2 minutes remaining in the Atlas booster phase of flight. And the RD-180 is now throttling down to maintain a constant 2.5 G acceleration limit. Engine response and vehicle acceleration response looks good. And the RCS pyro valve is unfired. Reaction control system is now pressurizing the flight levels. Now passing 3 minutes into flight. And seeing good response on the RD-180 pump speeds and injector pressures as vehicle throttles down to maintain that acceleration limit. And we're standing by for payload fairing jettison momentarily.